Welcome back to Alvion's Creations TV, where creativity and passion comes together to bring you the best in handmade product. If you're new here, welcome to the Creation family. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Today is day 2 of 40 Days of Summer Mermaid Tales edition. And for day 2, we are making this pretty shirt. So, without further ado, let's create. Okay, here are what you're gonna need today. Your Cricut, your heat press. I have a mini one, and I have the mini mat that go with it because I have a Cricut Joy also, which is what I had first. You're gonna need this little thing here. I forgot what it's called. A shirt, a mat, cutter, and your colors you're gonna use. All right, you guys, so I decided to do a voiceover. Here I am opening up my mat and my little cutter thing. I am starting to cutting out the first part that I want the Cricut machine to print on, and that's just the mermaid tail words. And then I'm gonna add it to the mat here and get my little smoother tool. It's like a little Cricut tool. And then I'm gonna begin to smooth it out so that I can make sure it cuts evenly. Okay. Make sure it's on iron. Okay, continue. Just give my computer just a second. Then you're gonna push this button to push it. And then this button to do it. Okay, so for the mermaid part, I'll have these colors here, and I wasn't sure which one I wanted to go with because they were kind of giving unicorn vibes, but I was like, okay, I kind of like this purple. Let's go ahead and use purple. How much of this I needed? So I'm just gonna put the whole thing on, shiny side down. So once it's done printing in the printer, I'm gonna go ahead and get my weeding tool and start weeding out the little parts. And here I'll just speed it up for you. Okay, so once you're done weeding it out, it is time to put it on your shirt. I am just centering my shirt here, and because I have a Cricut Joy little mini press, I don't have the big one at the moment. I'm going to just kind of like iron it, the wrinkles out. If I had a bigger iron, it would get out quicker. Okay, so it's time to iron on the image here. I'm just using some heat resistant tape that I purchased from Cricut, and I'm just gonna start doing it in parts because again, I have the mini press. I don't have the big one, so I have to do this in parts, which take a little longer. So if you know that you want to do shirts, make sure you get the big press first. But I did purchase the mini press because I'm doing like mini handbags and like just miniature little pouch bags and everything. So that's originally why I have it. Okay, so I'm just going over it like again piece by piece, and then I'm gonna be turning it around and doing the back. I must add that there are going to be parts when you start peeling it off that are going to come up, so you want to just gently push it back over, put the parchment paper over it, and go back over it again to make sure that it sticks. And you want to gently pull this off once it cools down, and take your time. Don't just rip it off, because once you rip it off, then you got to start over with a new shirt. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding mermaid tails on. I'm going to put it over the original design, and I wasn't too sure about it, how it was going to stick, but hey, I just tried it. I'm going to put my tape on there just so that it doesn't move, it stays in place, and then I'll put the paper over it to protect that image and also the original from the heat press. Alright, I was so excited about how pretty it came out that I was not trying to rip the letters off. So I just say take your time with the lettering part because you can easily rip it and tear it up. So just take your time, pull it off little by little. If it does not stick, again, just apply more heat to it and try it again. Let it cool off. Don't pull it off while it's hot. Just wait till it cool off and then try to pull it. And look how pretty she came out. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching it all the way through. So click one of these videos somewhere around here and watch the next video in this series.